Here's Lapse app disposable camera. These days, it literally in the top charts in the photo and video category in US App Store, and also yeah, I'm on top apps. So why is that? It's a new trendy app, which is basically like a disposable camera slash social networking app. It has some early Instagram vibes, but it also combines all the social apps like you have right now. It has elements of Be Real, has elements of Instagram, of Snapchat, like of Dispo app, like disposable camera. So again, the idea is that you can turn your phone into a disposable camera. Snaps are a mystery until they develop at a random later that day. Share your snaps to your friends' feed and see the week unfold. Your monthly photo dump is automatically created on your profile. Curate your favorite snaps into albums. It just says Lapse is for friends, not followers. So here's, then you can just open the app and see how it looks like. So here's, yeah, just on my sofa. So you can see how it looks like. And the idea, like, let's just take a photo. So then I just took a photo. I can enable disable flashlight, and then it just keeps developing. And then you can see that some snaps developed, and this photo I can't see instantly. I need basically to wait some time until it develops. I don't know how long does it take for the snap to develop, usually around 1 day. So I took some of the snaps yesterday, and then I can just tap hold to use snaps. So I can just tap hold, and then here's my snap, for example, from yesterday, and then I can delete it, or I can archive it, or I can share it if you tap on the right. So that's basically the idea. So these are some snaps from last time, and then you can see it just adds this interesting kind of like a filter. I don't know if you can add this filter, but it adds kind of like, you know, disposable kind of filters. You can also then add notes to this. You can tag it with some users, tag your friends there. Then you can share it to Instagram, to Snapchat. Then you can submit to feature, then selects, that's another feature. So hidden favorites. So there are a bunch of features. I'm actually a bit overwhelmed. Like there are so many like different buttons, hidden menus here and there. So you can get lost. But yeah, it's a lot of features. By the way, like to start with, right now it's actually quite hard to get on the app for some reason, like because you need to invite 5 friends or so. So you need to send like message invitation to at least 5 friends to get into this app or something. Before it was invite only, before it was called like journal by Lapse or something. Now it's just called Lapse. So there is a lot of like, you know, ongoing development. It's still, I would say it's still kind of like in public beta. It's not like finished app. There are still some features upcoming and all of that. But yeah, that's just what it is. And then, by the way, if you just want to delete, you can just tap and delete it here, just in case. And yeah, then you can just kind of develop those. And yep, so then you have that. So that's just my profile. I can see it here. So this is some of the Lapse kind of I added. It's like under the sofa. There is like a play button. I don't know how it works. Then to add friends, you can just tap add friends, and people can scan your QR code. Also, you can just search by username, and then you can just send friend requests like that. There are more and more users here, but not that much yet. And then also you can edit your details. If you want to change your username, you can change it from here, but be careful. I was lucky to reserve kind of like my first name username here. Then you can also change your photo. You can change your display name. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then another thing that you can just add selects. So add your selects. These are basically some favorite snaps which you can just add from your camera roll, and then they just there are some filters applied there. And then from here, from these selects, you can also add music, similar as on Be Real or something like that. So there you have it. What else? And then there is like a really cool section in the right tab. It's called Featured, where you can see all these photos from other people, and they're like really cool. This is like resembles like early Instagram days. There are some really nice filters. That's why this app is kind of going viral. It has this really nice filtering which can help you actually to produce some really quality stuff, even with with just a phone. I think actually this app is taking off because with all these latest iPhones, like iPhone 14, 15, like the cameras are pretty good. Like you can really just get some nice shots, nice exposures, nice levels, just with your phone. And then all these apps, I think they will have like second life. Like I mean, like Instagram went viral when just phones appeared, but now when the cameras have become really good, all these apps have become kind of popular again because and then you can submit your photos to be featured, and then you can get a special tag on your journal. So it's still early days, so you can get some real cool photo and then just get featured. I don't know if it helps you out or if you can get monetized or something. Then there are also messages. Seems you can message here if there is inbox. So you can, but you need to invite friends. And then another thing here sometimes is that you can send instance or something like that. So that was another feature which are they being tested. By the way, there is also all this. Oops, I'm just on this office. There is all this like white zoom, 05 zoom, and then 05, 1x, and 3. So similar as on Be Real. I think that's was just like they are taken from Be Real. And then add your bio from here. What you can just add your bio, star sign. You can add your zodiac sign, school, college. So it says like 2 vibes left today. So let's just try to send vibe, and then you need to find friends and then just send this vibe to your friend. So here how the instance looking at, you can just kind of spam friends with instance. They develop instantly and they are being deleted after sending, and they are only viewable once. So that's kind of like a Be Real copy or something that, but I don't know. Sometimes they just appear in my profile. Sometimes they not appear. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then what else? Like here, like again, you can just add your friends in top left. You can see your current friends. Guess you can then manage or remove them. Like by the way, I'm number 654,000. So I guess like there are almost like I guess there are more than 1,000,000 people already here. Then in the details, you have your account. If you want to delete your account, you can just scroll to the very bottom, and in the very bottom, you will have delete account. Would you like to request for your account to be deleted? This cannot be undone, and just tap delete. So just be careful because, in some apps like Be Real, if you delete your account and log back in during 14 days, it's just been restored. Here, I'm not sure if it's the case or not. So just what that is. Then also you can reach out to like frequently ask questions. How do you delete snaps? This feature is now available. You can delete snaps. Click the 3 dots in the top right to remove the snap from the feed. How do you change your profile music? You can, yeah, okay, so you can change the pencil emoji, the left of your profile photo, to edit your music. So there are still some bugs here and there, as you can see, but that's normal. for the early versions of the app. Um, can you hide your age on your profile? If you choose to hide your age on your profile, it will still be visible to you, but not to other people. You can change your profile emojis. You can change your profile photo. Um, so yeah, if you want, you can always reach out to support hello@lapse.com, then submit some ideas. Yeah, if you want to change your phone number, it says required but still not available, so that's one of the features still in the development. But yeah, to edit photo from here, you can just upload or take a stunning selfie, and then to add your music, you can just tap on the music icon here, just next to your profile. So that's, I guess that's just what it is. That's how this app looks like. Last thing, like other Lapse widgets. So here, if I just try to search, nope, there are no home screen widgets, unfortunately. I think that's definitely one of the features they should be working on, or which should be coming. And then let's just check if there is like lock screen widget. All right, so there is a lock screen widget, which is pretty cool. That's amazing. So never miss a moment and shoot faster from the lock screen. So there is camera shutter. There are 3 types of cameras, and then you can just tap on it and then just, add it. I don't know why there are like 3 types of cameras. But basically that's what it is, and then just tap done in the top right. So there you have it. That's the app. Give it a try. Unfortunately, it's not available on Android and Google Play Store, but that's just what it is. Hope this overview was helpful, and thanks for watching.